Okay, now we're going to go over the different type of lettering that's built into the control panel. This is the one that has the most fonts available. We'll press this T, and this T or this font program will only work if you are connected to the internet. So we have already connected to the internet, and so everything, it won't give us any warning message. So the first thing we would have to do is we have to select, usually is the Chinese flag, but we're going to select the British flag. And then once we select the British flag, we're going to see that there's 5 different pages of fonts here. We'll go ahead and select the Gothic, Handle Gothic, and then we're going to select the keyboard, and then we're going to select the English keyboard and then uppercase. And I'll do test again, and then hit the keyboard again, or the A button. I'm finished editing, and now we can hit the S button to generate the stitches, and that font's ready to save. But I'm going to make this taller. Right now it's showing it's only 20 millimeters tall, so less than 1 inch. I'm going to make it 2 inches tall. So we'll select that A, type in 50 millimeters, and then I have to generate the stitches again. Now, I can also change the baseline here. I have it going straight up and down, or there's an arc, and then we have an upper arc, and then we have this baseline where we can change the kerning or the spacing between the letters. So I'm going to type in 200 and see if that looks good. Okay, so I can change the spacing between the letters that way. And now once, and of course this is the color of the font. Once I'm completely done, then I will hit this again to generate stitches. There it goes. And then I will save it. So now you can tell it looks like stitches now, so I'm going to go ahead and press the save button, and it just gives us the next available memory slot, and it gives it that same name, which is fine, or I can back up and call it test. I'm just going to hit the check mark, and that's it. So right now it's allowing me to continue to stay in the font program to create another name, or I can go to the design menu and find our design that we just made.